Hey, cat. What's up? Oh my gosh, it has red eyes. It has laser eyes. Oh no, it's gonna shoot lasers.
It's shooting me.
Oh no.
Oh no. It's
Breaking news! Breaking news! We saw a cat. These people were posting a video of him. And that person, they got shot with these lasers. We can show you a picture of that lasered cat. Do 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 do
Hey.
do 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 do
Hey.
do do. Oh,
Video
oh my gosh. Yeah, that's what's so crazy. I think I
almost killed me.
almost killed a person.
No, he killed me.
Oh yeah, I did kill one. But someone ran away because the laser cat almost got him. So, that's our breaking news. Now it's time for the weather. The weather is gonna be around the hundreds. And that's really it. Bye.